Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to turn off the auto backup option on your Google Photo mobile application. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to turn off the auto backup of your photo option on your Google Photos, I just going to show. So first of all, open your photo app and click on the Google Photos and click on the top icon, profile icon. So now you will see your mail ID, and also you can see the backupping process is turned on and it's keep on backupping my files. You just click on this backup option. Now you will see a setting option on the top. Click on this setting option. Now you can see the backup photos and videos from this device has been turned on. You just need to just turn off, which actually close the backupping process. Now now your photos and videos on your mobile will not be backup, and that will not be saved on your space of memory. So you can see the account storage has been 97 MB. So you can just clear the photos and you will see the free space on the memory. This is a cloud memory, and if you turn on your photos and videos, everything will be backup on your cloud storage and it will be full. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.